going on, guys? Back with another video. It's a busy day at the shop. We have this Macon in. My pal Ray is gonna be steaming the interior. Now you might be wondering, this thing looks brand new, why are you steam cleaning it? My client ran into a skunk and some wind kind of blew the smell inside the car, so it's been over a week now and still kind of lingering. So we're gonna get that out. And she actually just bought it 2 days after this happened, so we're gonna get her car smelling right. Okay, while Ray's knocking that out, we're going to be working on this Bentley. It's a pretty clean car. The interior is on the dirtier side. The outside, we just need to give it a really light wash. The wheels are a little bit dirty. My client just purchased this at the Make 'em auction. So let's jump in it.
Sinatra Showcase.
Okay, this car isn't that dirty on the outside. On the inside, that's a different story. The wheels are the dirtiest part on the exterior. We're probably gonna go with a rinseless wash. I don't know, just because it's easy. No particular reason. We're not really doing anything extravagant on the outside. The job is more on the interior. So we're just gonna spray some of our wheel gel. Okay, we're going to start the washing process. We're going to foam it down. We're using a power wash and wax because, again, we're just waxing it. We're not even cleaning this car. And the most important thing is the interior on this vehicle. I got the McKee's 37 power wash and wax in the bucket. The car wasn't really that dirty, had some light road debris, some dust, so we're just gonna go through it really fast. Okay, we're all done cleaning the Bentley on the outside, but on the inside you can see all the filth. This thing is really, really dirty. You can see all the dirt in there. The driver seat is the worst. You can see all in there. It's very, very dusty. And so we're gonna use leather shampoo on all the leather, vacuum out the mats, and get it looking good. Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning the driver's side. This is by far the dirtiest. So we're using leather shampoo. Gonna agitate, but I'm probably gonna have to use something more aggressive. Now you guys might be wondering why I'm doing this outside. When I'm doing interiors, I just believe in natural lighting. LED lights are have cooler lights, and for interiors, especially light-colored interiors, once you bring it out, you see a lot of stuff that you didn't see inside the shop, and that's why I just prefer doing it outside. Natural lighting, I know what I'm up against, and no surprises. This seat, I already see the film in the foam. Seat is really, really dirty. The other seats weren't bad at all. This is really bad. Just a film of dirt. Wrapped up with the Bentley. I'm just kind of giving a light shampoo to the mats. They're not really dirty. We just really and truly, I just wanted to use my machine. I've had it now for a long time. I bought it Black Friday. It was actually 50 bucks, and I really don't do a lot of interiors, but you know, I bought it, you know, to clean mats, so when I need it, I have it. So we got some McKee's 37 carpet extractor pre-treat spray. So we're gonna spray that, and so far I'm impressed. This thing is pretty good. Quick tip: if you ever deal with mats that are beyond cleaning and they're just completely worn, don't clean them and put them in the car, because it's gonna make your job look horrible. If they're just mats, they're meant to be worn and meant to get beat up. So clean them to your best ability and put them in the trunk. Don't make your job look bad. So whenever the mats look bad, I'm not gonna put them in the car, because it's gonna make all your hard work look horrible. knocking out the last set of mats. This sits on top of the other mats that we just seen, and yeah, they look good. We actually picked up a lot of dirt. You could see right in there. Now, you might be asking, why am I not using an extractor? I actually have an extractor, a Mighty. It's a very expensive one, but I actually hate because it's so big. This is so much easier to carry around. I could put it in the back seat. I could move it around without having to haul around a big, huge machine. And this is just so much easier, so much more accessible, and it's just so convenient. So yeah, so far I'm impressed. I had to switch the head because of the longer pile, and this is for deep reach. So it really did a good job. So I'm really impressed with this little machine. So overall, I'm happy. You could see all the dirt that we extracted out of it, and you know, that's gonna make our job look better because they're not gonna see the carpets. They're gonna see this, so we have to make that look as best we can. So yeah, so we're gonna let these dry, pop them back in. The owner's gonna be tomorrow. We'll do a final wipe down and we'll do a walk around. Okay, the customer is gonna be here shortly to pick up the Bentley. We threw a coat of trademark wax on it, and I'm kind of over delivering on this Bentley. I'm, you know, slowly tuning it in. Because there's another car that we're potentially going to work on that I'm really excited about. I'm not going to mention it yet, but it's going to be a very exciting video if it does happen. So stay tuned for that one. So I'm kind of over delivering on this. I want to impress the client. Like I said, he has a fleet of a lot of nice cars. So yeah, we want to do a good job. So all the things that I am over delivering on it's very small. I'm just taking my time. Time is on my side. Later on, we do have to work on a Buick Coupe. I do believe it's a 38 Buick Coupe. I could be wrong about the year. He showed me his collection of cars, and we talked about so many that I did forget about the year. So right now we're just wiping off the wax. I'm using my spray wax kind of as a moisturizer. Now this stuff is very easy to remove. It's not that it's hard to remove. I just like sometimes using a detail spray while I'm wiping off wax or sealant to kind of soften up the towel. So feels good. Owner's gonna be happy. The inside came a long way. The inside was in pretty rough condition, especially the driver's seat, but the mats came out really nice, so that's gonna make our job look better. Alright, I'm gonna buff off all the wax. Once it's all done, we'll do a quick walk around. Bentley's all done. Customer will be here shortly. Looks good. Came out nice, wheels look good, interior looks good. Glass is streak free. I wipe down all this with spray wax because it is clear coated. So the inside looks good, smells good. Tires are dressed. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. This was the dirtiest. So this looks really good. This seat had a lot of wear on it. And this mat came a really long way. That thing was absolutely filthy. So we took a ton of dirt out of that mat. So that was a huge improvement. That's it, she's ready to go. Alright, I'm gonna pull this out and pull in the Buick and start working on that. See you guys in the next one.